Are you looking to have the best year ever? Good, because I got 9 tips that will help you have the best year ever. Stay tuned. All right, so we're already a few days into 2025, and I want to give you some tips to make a better 2025 for you. Number one is you have to get over the fear of being seen. Do not give up on your God-given purpose because of the fear of what others may say. Listen, they don't have a heaven and a hell to put you in anyway. So why do you consider their thoughts or what they think important when it's ultimately about what God thinks? Number two, you have to be teachable. Knowing how to learn is more important than what you actually learn. I'm going to say that one more time. Knowing how to learn is more important than what you actually learn, because being able to know how to obtain knowledge is more valuable than the actual knowledge itself. This makes it easier for you to apply knowledge. So be teachable and know how to obtain knowledge so that you can apply it to your life. 3, procrastination and preparation can be the same thing for many. A lot of times your preparation is actually you not wanting to take action. So too much prepping and researching is actually holding you back. Number 4, think critically, all right? There will be a lot of things that's going to be thrown at you. There's going to be this platform or this new trend, and you have to ask yourself, is this beneficial for me? Does God really want me to follow this trend? Does God really want me to use this platform? Think critically. Number 5, learn how to communicate better. Learning how to communicate will set you up for greatness. So how can you effectively communicate that you need a new raise? How can you effectively communicate on that job interview? One of the best things I can tell people to do in regards to learning how to communicate better is read. Number 6, become bored. I know that sounds crazy, but one of the reasons that you are stuck creatively is that you're overstimulated. If your brain never has a chance to relax, then it has no time to recharge. Try doing low-level activities on a day-to-day basis, and I guarantee you, your creativity will begin to spark more and more. Number 7, you have to monitor who you hang around. There's a saying that says, show me your friends and I'll show you your future. In fact, the Bible even says this, bad company corrupts good morals. We have to be mindful of the people we hang out with. We have to be mindful of the environments that we put ourselves in. Number 8, invest in your health daily. Get the right amount of sleep, eat the right foods, and get the proper exercise. I am not a doctor, so I can't tell you what works best for you, but take the time and be intentional about your sleep, your health, and your exercise. Lastly, and most importantly, is to get right with God. Develop a relationship with God. Get in your word. Spend time with God. Lean into the Spirit. Let Him speak to you. So that's my 9 tips to help you have a successful 2025. God bless you. Peace. And don't forget to like and share and make a comment down in the comment section. Peace.